Hi, this is Dave from level 4225. In this video I'll show you how to instantiate objects and to make them work in Cull. To show you how it works, I'll just hit play. Then I'll enable Cull. And what we can see here is a red plane. This red plane is an instantiated object on a runtime, and in order to make it work, this plane needs to be registered on the calling sphere, and we need to do this manually by code. So in order to register it on the calling sphere, you'll have to provide some code. I wrote a spawn manager for the sample scenes, and let's open this. And in this spawn manager, I've provided my calling spheres, so one for the 2D scene and one for the 3D scene. And when the calling sphere script exists and the calling sphere component is enabled, we will instantiate a new object, which is our spawned object. So in this case, our red plane. And then we'll need to get the plane sprite renderer, and if there's a sprite renderer, we need to register it to the calling sphere. So just call register object from the calling sphere to script and provide the sprite renderer. If you have a 3D scene, it's basically the same code, but you need to provide a renderer instead of a sprite renderer, but the code stays the same. If you want to destroy your object, you'll also need to unregister it from the calling sphere. And to do this, you'll just need to call calling sphere to D and unregister object sprite renderer. So first call unregister object and then destroy it from your code. And the same should happen for the 3D part. Okay, so that's it, and thanks for your